point gained. I think we have dropped 3 points in this game. Out of the games that we have drawn, I feel this was a game that we could have won. Yeah, we haven't done well in terms of playing our local teams here. We've drawn twice and we have lost once, and I think also a lot of complacency in our team. And at the end of the day, we started very low. We looked slightly better in the second half when few individuals tried to get back into the game, but it was a bit too late. What we have noticed also is almost every team that is drawing with us is celebrating, and I think most teams will probably play for a draw and will be happy for that. Not really. I think maybe just a bit of the way we approach them. If you don't beat these teams, or if you don't score any against these teams, you get a bit frustrated. They'll be going down, they'll be delaying. You saw what the goalkeeper was doing. But at the end of the day, we